This is a very high-spirited evening and crowd, but it would be less than honest of me to not tell you that this is humbling, not just for me, but for Sports Illustrated, because Arthur Ashe and this movement, and that's what it is who we honor. And it's collaborative in the sense that it's certainly not just me. It's a whole bunch of people who care a lot about the same values that Arthur brought forward. And I think that if I could leave you with anything about the importance of what you're doing, it is that there is not a day that goes by at Sports Illustrated that our coverage of human rights, equality, and medicine, the quality of our lives, is not influenced very, very deeply by the career and the values of Arthur Ashe. So thank you in that spirit.